My name is Adam. I'm here with HVAC Technical Academy. I'm here to explain the vacuum pump process. First thing you want to do is hook up your low side and high side lines with your ball valves off, obviously, and then connect your vacuum hose to your vacuum pump. You turn the vacuum pump on, then you open up all of your manifold and your ball valves. You open up the vacuum, and then you wait for the pressure in here to read negative minus 500 microns. Until then, you just wait. It can take 10 minutes, it can take up to 2 hours from what I heard. But once you reach the 500 point, it's at 500 or below, you close everything up. Definitely close your ball valves before you take them off. The high side. I want to screw on there. There we go. And turn your machine off. And you're good to go. Another thing about the machine, you need to open up this ballast here, otherwise it won't do its job properly. That expels all the non-condensables that you don't want, which is what you're trying to do. Pull out the refrigerant and get rid of all the non-condensables. Thank you for watching.